Bloody computers, you think you're getting one step ahead of the game and you get something new and it all doesn't work again. So thought we'd do some chainsawing to get rid of some of the aggression. At least you know where you are with a chainsaw. Start off with these computers, and it's an AVC HD file. Change that to an MPEG, change it to a QuickTime, put the sound in, put in your waveform, then nothing's in sync. Then you look on the internet, and you end up staying up all night trying to work out how the thing works. At least with a chainsaw, you just turn it on and start cutting. So you've got to be careful with a chainsaw. But the good things, this is an electric one from Aldi, nothing special. But you've got to make sure your blade's tight enough, and you tighten up the blade. This little screw here, and you loosen that off, and you can tighten the tension on your blade there. And on your chainsaw, you've got these spikes here, so you don't want to be going like this, trying to saw into it like that. What you do is dig that spike in there, and then use that as a pivot to help you go through the wood. And it's also good to make yourself a little sawing board, sawing horse. It's just made out of scrap wood. It's falling to bits now because all the screws have come loose over the last 2 winters. But that helps a lot. Anyway, so let's go through this and I'll show you how to do it. So as you can see, that was all pivoted from this point here. Now this wood's nothing special. It's crap, in fact. It's willow, but it does burn, and it's dry because the tree was dead. And rather than take it all down to get rid of it, then we'll just cut it up and burn it anyway. Burns quick, but it does burn. Now this wood here, this is elderberry wood, and I don't really like cutting this stuff down. It's a bit superstitious, like the Irish tinkers say. It's a sort of sacred wood, and I'm not going to burn it because it doesn't burn good. You're supposed to bring bad luck if you burn it. When you cut it down, you're supposed to spit 3 times and stand on 1 foot and say sorry to the tree. Elderberry trees, you can make tinctures from the flowers, you can make vitamin C drink from the berries, you can make wine from them even. This stuff's not going on the fire, in case the bogeyman comes and gets me. Also the thin branches are sort of hollow inside, and you can make little blowpipes and blow in them. Kids can make pea shooters out of them, or you can make a little makeshift bellows if you need to blow on the fire. But I'll be taking this stuff to the compost place because I don't want to burn it. And this time we're trying a new way of recording the sound with the zoom, but this time we're doing it on 48 kilohertz 16-bit, which is the same rate as the camera records the sound, and we'll see if we can solve these audio syncing problems. Lots of visitors in the last 2 weeks, and I'm running a very big sleep deficit at the moment. I'm going to have an early night tonight. Up till 3 o'clock last night, fooling around with codecs, video codecs. Thanks, by the way, Mark, for those tips. I don't know if they helped at all. I ended up using MPEG. Quality's not so brilliant of the picture, but at least it's in sync. So the old sawhorse is on its last legs too. I have to tighten the screws up or make a new one. Nothing lasts forever. I've had enough for today. Not in the mood. Have a great day.